Yo, it's dead in this town. You know?
16, I was your favorite Walmart employee in the pet department. Now I found my calling as a cybersecurity professional.
When I was 14, I was an aftercare teacher, and now I'm an entrepreneur and I own my own dance business, Dance Success.
My first job was when I was 16. I was a busboy at a restaurant. Now I'm a special education teacher and a soccer coach.
When I was 16, my first job was a technician at a copy service. I'm now a director of contracts.
When I was 13, I worked in an in-home daycare. Now I'm a pediatrician.
When I was 14, my first job was with DC Summer Works. Shout out to Mary and Barry. Right now I'm 35 and I'm a real estate broker.
When I was 16, I worked at Target and now I am a salon business owner.
Hola, cuando yo tenía 14 años trabajaba con mis padres y mi familia en un negocio propio ayudándoles. Ahora vivo en los Estados Unidos, trabajo como asistente de maestra y también asisto a la Universidad de George Mason. Estoy obteniendo mi grado en Master en Educación Psicología.
When I was 14, I was working with my family, helping in the business. Now I am a teacher assistant. I moved into the U.S. 20 years ago though, and I am also studying in George Mason University, getting my master's in psychology education.
At the age of 15, I started working at Burger King. Now I'm the owner and founder of Crystal's Helping Hand, a certified life coach and a mindfulness coach.
When I was 16, I was a customer service agent at West Telemarketing. Now I'm a high school special education teacher and high school football.
When I was 16, I worked at Six Flags as a food service processor. Now I work for the United States Inspector General's Office for the Postal Service.
When I was 16 years old, I was a basketball summer camp counselor. Now I'm an autism teacher in high school.
When I was 15, I was a summer worker working for DC and Maryland National Parks where I clean trash and also build trails. Now I'm a graduate student pursuing a degree with organizational communications and also an amateur director.
When I was 15, I was a dog groomer. Now I am a mother to 2 beautiful children and a special education department chair.
When I was 19, I worked at a summer camp, and now I'm a college student getting ready to graduate in May.
Yo, we need a moment, but not of silence. Something